Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the camera and cable type so the physical connection matches. This prevents stress and bent connectors. Once done, close conferencing apps to free the device resource and plug the camera firmly into the correct USB port. Use a powered hub for bus-powered cameras to ensure stable power. Make sure indicator LEDs light. That confirms power and physical link. If your laptop has multiple ports, try a rear or full-speed port rather than a front low-power one. Next, let the operating system detect and configure the camera. You should accept any driver prompts or install the manufacturer driver for full features, because generic drivers may limit resolution or controls. Once installed, open your camera app or the app you'll use and explicitly select the new USB camera from the device list so the software uses the correct input. Then adjust resolution and frame rate to balance quality and CPU load, and toggle autofocus or exposure to stabilize the image. Finally, test the camera in a recording or live call to confirm both video and any built-in microphone work. This verifies end-to-end functionality. Position and secure your camera, then tweak lighting and background to improve image quality, because physical setup matters as much as software. If you run into problems, try another USB port, reboot the laptop, reinstall drivers, and check app permissions. These steps resolve most issues. If the camera still fails, test it on a second computer to isolate hardware faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.